Hello, this is Justin from Porsche, Colorado Springs. I just wanted to take on a quick walk-around tour of our GT3 RS. At this point, you might be asking which one. Well, we're going to be taking a walk around this beautiful, custom-tailored specialty 2016 GT3 RS. We're a little bit crammed in the showroom, but I just kind of want to give you a quick general overview. Some big key notes on this car is that the entire thing is covered in clear mask material. The entire hood, fenders, headlight covers, I believe. I think I can feel something on there, but the front bumper, when we look here, the video may not be able to pick it up, but you can see that the clear mask actually goes over the orange sticker that was put on at the factory. I put the hood crest obviously in there. And this car has a lot of custom tailoring features, CXX options Porsche will call them, from the red or the orange stripes, the door handles, the wheels, even the Porsche nameplate on the rear wing. They've painted this rear deck lid, like if we look at the guy behind us, that's what it would normally look like, but this is how it came out of the factory, covered in clear bra. Even has the orange GT3 RS light up door sill. It's got the beautiful orange stitching, seat belts, GT3 RS in our headrest. It's got the door strap, the poles. The stitching is continued in the dash and the door panels. Let's step around to the other side. Lower mirrors portion is painted in orange. And then there's even clear mask material. I know you might not be able to see this, but it's on the outside of the door handle. Might be able to see kind of an edge right there. And then there's another piece that's going inside the door cups. So there's nothing on the outside, but anywhere that's kind of has some major exposure, looks like it's covered. Let's see, this is kind of looks like our factory piece that they put on maybe on the outside. Yeah, that's kind of cool, because I can feel up here that there's actually clear bra material on this rear quarter panel. So I mean, they definitely made it look, like there's no clear bra in the car, but the whole thing is covered. And obviously that beautiful orange wheel, also done at the factory. And then when we look inside, we've only got 2,569 miles on the odometer. Just beautiful. So anyway, I hope this helps describe the car a little bit better, how much protection there is. We look forward to speaking to you more.